Diploma mathematician Nake, research assistant at the Computer Center of the Technical University in Stuttgart, has been experimenting with computer graphics since 1963, inspired by Professor Max Bense. He sets up a program that is then translated into the computer's language and entered into it. Here, the machine receives the task of dividing a specific image size into a theoretical grid of 100 fields and, according to its choice, meaning randomly, distributing 25 to 35 clusters of lines on the sheet. It calculated for about 20 minutes before deciding what the drawing machine should do at each point of the field. The result is output by this computing unit on a punched tape. Now it is clear in which manner and with which of its 4 pens the drawing machine should create the graphic. The Graphomat Z64 is one of the first in the world. The commands punched into the tape by the computer are scanned electronically and executed slavishly. The plotter has no freedom of choice anymore. To draw this graphic with 28 hatching lines, the machine needed about 1.5 hours. Here, the system should distribute between 1,000 and 2,000 rectangles and between 800 and 1,200 two different triangles on the sheet according to certain probabilities. What compositional freedom the computer has, that is, with what result intuition is simulated by pseudo-random numbers, is shown by the following 4 graphics, all calculated using the same program. With each new button pressed, the computer delivered a different punched tape. With an infinitely large number of possibilities, it is practically impossible for the computer to compose the same image twice. Each different program inspired the computer to create these graphics. According to the same principle, the system can be instructed to compose texts from a repertoire of words input to it, following certain grammatical and syntactic rules. Such experiments began in 1960. The computer can also take words from input poems, classify, and store them by frequency. This is how auto-poem number 312 of the Nature and Experience series was created.
The joyful dreams reign. The heart kisses the blade of grass. The green scatters the slender lovers. Far is a vastness and melancholy. The foxes sleep peacefully. The dream caresses the lights. Dreamlike sleeping gains an earth. Grace freezes where this glow dallies. Magically, the weak shepherd dances.
But not only typewriters and plotters, but also tone generators can be connected to the calculator. This is not about the generally known electronically produced music, but about complicated musical experiments. The art of composition is to be expanded by calculators. These experiments, which began as early as 1957, have so far been limited to the United States. In all experiments, within the framework of programming, the role of chance is significant. Chance, intuition, the unknown in art remains an object of human curiosity.